Hello dear student, how are you? I hope you are all will be fine. I am also fine, thank you. Welcome to our channel, that is H3 Science Group. Today is lecture number 13 of Boron Family, that is group 13 or 3rd A. And today lecture, in last previous lecture I already explained you the compounds of boron. I started the compound of boron, that I explained you the boron trioxide, that is one compound of boron, and also I explained you the borax, that is the also called sodium tetraborate, also called pentahydrate, also have the prismatic borax forms. So these are the kinds of the borax. But in today's lecture we will be discuss the another types of the boron, another compound of the boron, that is called orthoboric acid. These are the compound of boron, that is called orthoboric acid. And what is the formula of orthoboric acid? The orthoboric acid formula, it is acidic. Actually it is acidic in nature. H3BO3 means proton will be, it can be donate proton according to Lewis concepts or according to Arrhenius concepts. It can be donate proton in aqueous solution. So this is the orthoboric acid. This is the compound of orthoboric acid. Okay, in today's lecture we will be discuss orthoboric acid, also the preparation of orthoboric acids, also the properties of orthoboric acid, that is characteristic of orthoboric acid, that is the acidic nature, basic nature of orthoboric acid, and also we will be explain the uses of orthoboric acid. So let's start the topic. Also I will be explain you the how is the H3BO3 arranged in a geometrical structure. So start the topic. Number first, preparation of orthoboric acid. How orthoboric acid can be prepared? Preparation of orthoboric acid of H3BO3, that is orthoboric acid. How orthoboric acid can be prepared? Orthoboric acid, it can be prepared by several ways. It can be prepared from different compounds, that is it can be prepared from the borax. Orthoboric acid can be prepared from the borax. Borax I explained you in previous lecture, in lecture number 12, if you have remembered. So how can be H3BO3 or how can be orthoboric acid can prepare from borax? The formula of borax is 8. What is the formula of borax? The formula of borax is Na2B4O7. Na2B4O7, that is the formula of borax 10H2O. That is the formula of for borax, formula of borax. But orthoboric acid can be prepared, that is the formula of borax. Orthoboric acid can be prepared from this. When a hard concentrated solution of borax is treated with the calculated quantity of concentrated sulfuric acid, that is concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4, when these solution are treated when you add this in borax into H2SO4 solution, sulfuric acid solution, that is the solution of sulfuric acid H2SO4, and that is H2O. Let's suppose here is 5H2O, or you can write also here dot 5H2O plus H2SO4. It will be produce, they will be produce orthoboric acids. Here it will be produce Na2SO4, that is Na2, this is Na2 and SO4, that will be treated with, that will be reacted, that will be bonded with themselves, but this H2 will be replace this sodium hydroxide, this sodium, so it will become H2B4O7, or you can also write this that the here is 3H, not 3H but 6H3BO3. 6 H3BO3, it will be produced. Not 6 but 4 H3BO3, because here is 4 waters, 4 hydrogen, 5 2s are 10, and here is also. So this is the orthoboric acid. This is the orthoboric acid, the H3BO3 orthoboric acid. So orthoboric acid can be prepared from the borax. Also orthoboric acid can be prepared from the culminate, How orthoboric acid can be prepared from the culminates? A large quantity of boric acid is made from culminate mineral, that is culminates, HCA2B6O11, that is one culminates mineral. The mineral, when the mineral is in powder form, when this is in powder form, and when they are mixed with boiling water, let's suppose when they are treated with 11H2O, in the presence of when sulfur dioxide is circulated through the suspension or through this solution, when sulfur dioxide circulated through this suspension, it will produce boric acids. It will produce orthoboric acid, that is it will be produced 2CaHSO3 2 plus 6H3BO3. Yeah, this is also called, this is also the orthoboric acid formula, orthoboric acid. So orthoboric acid can be prepared from the culminates. When culminate are heated, when large quantity of boric acid, when the mineral of culminate is powdered and mixed with boiling water, that is boiling water, it will heat where boiling water. After that, when sulfur dioxide is circulated through this solution or through this suspension, boric acid will be found. So this is the solution. After this mixture and cooling this mixture, boric acid can be crystallized. And can be separated in pure form. And the third step is orthoboric acid also can be prepared from the Tuscany Sufifany. Orthoboric acid also can be prepared from the Tuscany Sufifany. Boric acid occur in the jet of steam of Sufifany issue. Jets of steam, which is called Sufifany, issuing from the, which is jet of steam. Jet of steam is called Sufifany. From the ground it can be aroused from the volcanic region of Tuscany. The jets are caught in large tanks of water. The resulting liquid is concentrated by steam and allowing hard solution to cool. Crystal of boric acid can be separated. So crystals of boric acid can be separated, that is H3BO3. While what is Sufifany? Sufifany, it is a name applied in Italy to certain volcanic events, which emits jets of steam generally associated with the hydrogen sulfide. Take the correct position of the camera. Yeah, it is generally associated with the hydrogen sulfide H2S, that is hydrogen sulfide, and carbon dioxide. Sometimes also with a little ammonia and marsh gas. So orthoboric acid can be prepared from the Tuscany. It is natural process. These are the general way to prepare orthoboric acids in nature. I hope this will be cleared. Still, if you have any confusion, if you have any question, you can ask me in comment section, as well as you can ask me in my personal WhatsApp or Gmail that I put in description box. You can get from there. Now go to the next point. So that is the properties of the orthoboric acids. Now I am cleaning the board. You can take screenshot or from rewind the video. After rewind the video again and again, it will be clear your concepts. It will make you a good concepts. So the properties of the orthoboric acids. Properties of the orthoboric acids. Properties of the orthoboric acid. Yeah, number first properties. It forms soft white. It forms soft white needle-like crystal. It forms soft white needle-like crystal, having a soapy touch. Having a soapy touch. Yeah. Also, it has very less soluble. It is very less soluble in cold water. Less soluble in cold water, while more soluble in hot water, is like the borax. More is soluble in hot water. Yeah, its steam is volatile. Its steam is volatile. It is very volatile. The another property is it is weak monobasics. It is weak monobasics, or you can say that it is a good Lewis acid. It is weak monobasic. And the K monobasic acids, and the Ka value is 1 multiplied by 10 power minus 9. That is the Ka value for the orthoboric acids. It is monoacid. It is weak acids. It doesn't act as a proton donor. It does not act as a proton donor. Doesn't act as a proton donor. But that is protonic acid, but it has protonic acids, that is H3BO3. It has protons. It is protonic acid, but behaves as a Lewis acid. It actually accepts a pair of electrons from the OH ions. For example, that is HO. That is HO plus. That is water. HOH. Water plus BOH3. It will be produce B into OH4 negative plus H positive. So it will be act as a Lewis proton donor. It will be not act as a proton donor, but it will be monobasic acids. Yeah, when they are treated with another the another property is when heated at 100 degrees centigrade. When heated at 100 degrees centigrade, it loses water. It loses water and convert it into metaboric acid. It loses water and convert into metaboric acid. Metaboric acid. I already explained you this point in previous lecture, if you have remembered. Metaboric acid formula, for example, that is H3BO3. That is orthoboric acid. One orthoboric acid, when they are strongly heated it will be produce HBO2 plus H2O. That is also called metabolic acids. Yeah, when metabolic acid is heated at 160, when further heated this metabolic acids, it will produce tetraboric acids, and the formula here is no space, so I am writing here. And it will be produced tetraboric acids, and the tetraboric acid, when further this HbO2, that is also called metabolic acid, when they are further heated, means when the temperature rises up to 160 degrees centigrade of the solution, it produce H2BO7, that is called tetraboric acid. Also, this is the formula of, if you have remembered, this is the formula of Borax. This is the one Borax, if you have remembered. These are the general characteristics, general properties of the orthoboric acids. Also a mixture of ethyl alcohol. Now I am cleaning just these 2 points. You can take screenshot or rewind the video because lack of deficiency of space. Next property is a mixture of ethyl. When the mixture of ethyl alcohol with boric acid burn with a green edge frame due to the formation of volatile ethyl borax, when borax H3BO3, they are heated strongly, C2H5, 3C2H5OH, that is ethyl alcohol. Yeah, when they are treated with ethyl alcohol, it burns with green edge flame and produce ethyl borate, EOC2H5B, ethyl borate, that is called ethyl borate plus 3H2O. Yeah, when the mixture of ethyl alcohol with boric acids, they will be burned with a green flame. It will produce a green flame due to the formation of volatile ethyl borate. Due to the formation of, it is volatile in nature. It is very volatile in nature. Due to this volatile nature, it produces green flame and plus water will be produced. These are the general characteristics, general properties of the orthoboric acids. So come to the next point, that is what is the uses of orthoboric acids. You can take screenshot or you can rewind the video. Now I am cleaning the board to proceed the topic. Okay, thank you. Dear students, if you have any types of confusion in any topic of chemistry, you can ask me any time, anywhere. Where are you? Either are you in school or you are at home, you can ask me every time. I will be comment you, I will be reply you, I will be try my best that I solve your problems. So you can ask in my personal WhatsApp or my personal Gmail, or you can just ask me in comment section. I will be always present. I will be always available to you. Okay, what is the uses of orthoboric acid? Orthoboric acid, it have very large use in. It is used as an antiseptic. It can be used as an antiseptic. Antiseptic means that preventing the growth disease or preventing the causing microorganism. It can also be used to eye wash. It can act as an antiseptic. Also, it can use as a eye wash under the name boric lotion. Eye wash under the name boric lotion. At the name of boric lotion, it can be used for the eye wash. Boric lotion used for the eye wash. It can be used in the manufacture of enamels and glazes. and glasses for pottery. Animals and glasses. Pottery is one technique. These are the some techniques. Animal is the most mineralized tissue of the body, forming a very hard, thin, translucent layer of calcified tissue that cover the entire anatomic crown of the tooth, used for the tooth. And glasses, it has the impervious layer or coating of vitreous substance which has been used to ceramic body through firing. Glasses can be sorrow to color, decorate or waterproof an item. While pottery, it is the technique, it is the process through which different products are produced, different products are synthesized. The product of forming vessel, other object with clay and other ceramic material which are fixed at high temperature to give them a hard and durable at very high temperature. Mean the tiles that are you prepared, the marble, these all are the volatile, these are the in pottery process, in glasses process. These are also is the advantage or uses of the orthoboric acids. The another use of orthoboric acid can also be used as a food preservative. It can be used as a food preservative. It is a chemical compound. Preservative means a chemical compound, those chemical compound that added to a product or to one compound, and after that this compound will be protected against decay or decomposition through the orthoboric acids, through this. So at why it will be act as a preservative. It will be preservative means it will produce precaution from different spoil formation. It has also used in glass industry. It has also very used in glass industries. That is 4th point. That is 5th point. It has used in glass industry. In glass industry, it can be used. Glass industry means for various glasses. That is for very important glasses. It can be used. So these are the general uses of the orthoboric acids. I hope this will be cleared. Still, if you have any confusion, you can ask me in comment section. I will be reply you. I will be clarify you. Structure of orthoboric acids. What is the structure? The electronic configuration of orthoboric acid is 2s2 2p1, means here is one electron in p orbital. The excited, that is the ground electronic configuration, but in excited state the electronic configuration, this one electron, the one electron of 2s, it will be promoted to the 2p, so it will become 2px 2py 2pz. So it will 2px means total 2p, one electron will be promoted to 2p orbitals. The three single orbitals, that is three single these three single occupied orbital, that will be undergo sp2 hybridization, because all are single hybrid orbitals. sp2 hybridization and giving 3sp sp2 hybridized orbital. These three hybridized orbital overlap individually with the p orbitals of the O. P orbitals of the O in case of orthoboric acids. H3BO3 means it will be like this. This will be the structure, final structure. That is boron, that is one oxygen. The formula of the electronic configuration of oxygen has 8 electrons. So the electronic one is 2s2 2p6 2p4. That is so, that's why the electronic configuration of 2p, the electronic configuration of 2p means that the one orbital of this p, that has one orbital of this p, it will be overlapped with the one orbital sp2 hybridized orbital of the boron. So that's why it will make 3 bond with the 3 boron, with the 3 oxygen. It will make 3 BO negative bonds. After that, in boric acids, and orthoboric acids, the units, these three units are joined with by hydrogen, so it will become orthoboric acids. This is the orthoboric acid structure. I hope this point will be cleared. These all are about orthoboric acid. Still, if you have any confusion, you can ask me anytime in comment section, as well as you can ask me in my personal or Gmail that I put in description box. You can get it from there. Okay. And also please subscribe my channel. It makes me feel happy that my students are supporting me. Okay, thank you very much. And next lecture we will be discuss the halides of boron. That is another compounds, the compound halides of boron, that how boron produce the halides, of how boron halides can be produced, can be synthesized. Okay, thank you very much. Very best of luck, my student. Very best of luck.